I have been wearing my two hats, local government and as Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts. And Ovalau is a heritage town, so you can imagine the amount of discussions and meetings that we had in the last 2 days. We started off with a meeting with the teachers. We had a teachers forum where we discussed and shared some of the new initiatives that the Ministry of Education is going to roll out, as well as to get their views on some of these initiatives and some of the concerns they may have. And it was a very good discussion because they did share some of the issues they were facing in Ovalau, for example, transport issues. And we noticed that the transport issue surfaced during budget consultation, and in fact even the next day when we had our meetings with the market vendors. So that was the first component, or you can say first part of our work. And in the evening we had budget consultation with the general public, and we understood some of the concerns as well as the requests they have made for the budget to consider some of the things they requested for. And then the next day, obviously, the key or the main purpose of our visit was the groundbreaking we had to do for the Levuka market. So that work took place on Monday. The groundbreaking ceremony was over, and the contractors are now on the site. And hopefully, in 10 months' time, we should receive our new Levuka market for the people of Levuka. And then after that, yesterday afternoon, I had meetings with the special administrators of Levuka Town Council. That was our first meeting with the administrators, followed by another round of meeting with the school management committees. All the schools that are in Ovalau and Motoriki, the school management or school managers and committee members, they attended the meeting. And it was time to exchange ideas, but also to notify some of the policies that are in place and the school management handbook that's been produced, and why we are now requesting the head of school to be one of the signatories along with the school manager, and how they can apply for the environmental funds so that they can utilize that money to improve the infrastructure. So generally that was the discussion that we had with school management committee. School management committee also raised their concern regarding school quarters, and they wanted the government to assist them in building new quarters. But we have clarified issues that the government doesn't build school quarters because the school and the quarters belongs to the community, but we can assist in renovation work. And then this morning we started off with the school visits, and we visited 3 schools. We started the day with St. John's School, then we went to Levuka Public, and now to the special school. And again, the idea was to meet the students, have a meeting with the teachers, and talk to them. And the session that I had with Levuka Public was very exciting and interesting because I was able to talk to the children, to the students. And the students were very active. They asked so many questions, and some very good questions. They were more concerned about whether we're going to have competitive sports or not. How can they have 2 weeks holiday? Will the curriculum be realigned? Will they get a sample paper? Can they get rid of exams? And so forth. So these were all very valid issues they raised from their own perspective. As we open up, we want schools to normalize, and they should be able to do what they were doing before. And competitive sports was something they did before. So there's no reason why we can't have that. But we are still going through COVID. Let's settle with this, and then there is no reason why we cannot. Yeah.